In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change clothes in HeyGen. We'll walk through the simplest way to swap your avatar's outfit while you're building a new video, so your final clip looks polished and on brand. First, open your browser and head to the HeyGen homepage. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the central place to create and manage projects. From there, look to the left side of the screen and click New Video. This opens a fresh workspace with your canvas in the center and all the key tools arranged around it. Next, move to the script area and type what you want your avatar to say. Think of this as the teleprompter for your virtual presenter. Keep sentences clear and conversational, and use punctuation to create natural pauses. If a line includes a tricky name or acronym, add a quick pronunciation hint in parentheses so the delivery sounds right. Short paragraphs generally read better than long blocks, and numbers often sound smoother when written out. With your script ready, it's time to adjust the wardrobe. Find and click the option labeled Change Look. This opens the styling panel dedicated to your avatar's appearance. It's the place to update clothing quickly so your video matches your brand or the tone of your message. Now, choose the clothes you want. Browse the available outfits and consider the context of your video. A blazer or button-down suits training, corporate updates, and formal announcements. A casual top can feel more approachable for social content, internal notes, or quick tips. Think about contrast with your background, so your avatar stands out clearly, and pick colors that won't clash with any on-screen graphics or captions you plan to use. If you're testing a few options, that's fine. You can switch looks as many times as you like before finalizing. Once you've made your selection, apply it by clicking Submit or simply press Enter. The preview will update to reflect the new outfit. Take a brief moment to skim your script again while the change applies, checking for line breaks, dates, and numbers that might read better when written in full. If the look doesn't quite match your message, reopen Change Look and try another style until it feels right. And that's it. By opening HeyGen, starting a new video, entering your script, using Change Look, selecting an outfit, and submitting, you'll keep your workflow simple and your results consistent. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating.